It's taken a few more months than expected, but we finally do have the Galaxy S21 FE in-house. With that, we thought let's just do a quick unboxing of what is with the Galaxy S21 FE this time round, and also what to expect. Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoy unboxing videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV. Here is our quick unboxing of the Galaxy S21 FE. So here we are with the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G. This is the box, and it comes with all these different icons that represent Samsung in some way for the Galaxy S21 FE. And first giveaway is the fact that you do have a slimmer box, which gives it away that we will most likely not be getting a charger in the box. This particular model here that we have is with 128 gigabytes of internal storage, and it does have 6 gigabytes of RAM, and it comes in the graphite color. It is a dual nano SIM, but a micro SD card slot has now been removed. So with that in mind, this is pretty much the box all around, as you can see it. And doing this to pretty much set your expectations of what you would get if and when you decide to purchase your Galaxy S21 FE. We're now going to unbox it. And this is the Galaxy S21 FE in the graphite black color. We'll put this down here. SIM ejector tool. And as expected, a USB-C to C cable in white. Quick start and SIM ejector. So we'll put these to the side and focus on the main attraction, which is the Galaxy S21 FE. Let's take it apart. There it is. Put this to the side. Now, first giveaway is the fact that it does not look to have a pre-applied screen protector on there. We've got the stickers on the side, which we'll remove after, but this is the graphite. And it's very reminiscent to the Galaxy S21 design with the camera module. This is a plastic or plastic back, frosted, still feels fairly high quality. And the camera module seems to blend in even more. The frame looks separate. And we've got the USB-C port at the bottom, with the SIM tray, SIM ejector, as well as the bottom speaker. And you've got the power button and the volume rocker all on the same side on the right. I'm gonna try and power this on. Samsung Galaxy. So what we will do is go into the home screen and pretty much give you just a quick initial impressions. We will have a separate video for our first hands-on and proper impressions of the Galaxy S21 FE. So we've now done a brief setup of the Galaxy S21 FE. And again, from the beginning, the design is very reminiscent of the Galaxy S21 series. The glasstic plastic at the back does catch fingerprints a lot easier with this darker color with the graphite, as you can see. So just bear that in mind, and most likely it will be living in a case. Initial setup is that the software is running Android 12 with One UI 4.0, which is great because initially we just wasn't too sure what software version that we would be getting out of the box with the Galaxy S21 FE. Now, in terms of the pricing, there is 3 configurations that we've been told of the Galaxy S21 FE. The top SKU being 8 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage, which is going to be £749 or $749, equivalent to euros as well. There is an 8 gig, 128 gig model, but that one is really dependent on region. The one we have here is 6 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage, which is $699, or here in the UK, £699 or euros respectively. So take with that with what you want based on the configuration that you're looking for. Now, the model we have here is the Snapdragon 888, which is great to see, and it's based on 5nm as well. We do have a very similar 12 megapixel for the main, as well as the ultra wide, and the 8 megapixel for the zoom. And you've got the selfie camera at the front as well. Very reminiscent to what we had with the Galaxy S20 FE. Now, this is a 1080p AMOLED display, as we've come to know, which is dynamic and is 120 Hertz, but it's not an LTPO display, just like before. One thing I noticed is that with the fingerprint sensor, it is lower, and we've been told it is using an optical fingerprint sensor. Now, the always on display is off, but you can still somehow unlock it unlike other optical fingerprint sensors. So it has elements of the ultrasonic, like what we had with the Galaxy S21 series. Overall, based on what we have right now, it does seem pretty much par for the course. 45,000 milliamp hour battery. It does support up to 25 watt charging, but again, no charger in the box. Quick comparison. We have the Galaxy S21, Galaxy S20. And the fingerprint sensor on the display is slightly lower on the S21 FE compared to slightly higher on the Galaxy S21. So just bear that in mind. And it's pretty much the few differences that I've noticed so far. But yes, this is the Galaxy S21 FE, and we wanted to just do a quick unboxing and initial impressions. We will have continued videos on the Galaxy S21 FE for you, so let us know in the comment section below what you would like to see. But so far, this is our quick unboxing and initial impressions of the Galaxy S21 FE. Watch out for dedicated videos on it later on the channel. And again, for all the latest news in the world of Samsung daily, be sure to visit us at SamMobile.com. And for the latest videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, and we will see you next time.